Hello guys, welcome to 2020 and Happy New Year. This is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, and this year we are going to be doing a lot of tutorials. You'll be able to watch all our videos and become a professional. So stay tuned, and if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. There's a lot of tutorials coming your way this year. So stay tuned. Tell your friends to also subscribe because we are going to be sharing a lot of things. And if you missed out on our 2019 projects, 2019 tutorials, hit the description button because there's a lot of tutorials there, like how to add your name on Google, how to be on top Google search, how to fly drone for the first time, how to advertise on YouTube, how to convert your Facebook profile to page and without losing all your contacts, how to sync drone sound, how to use gimbal, how to use DSLR camera for the first time, how to create a light tray, how to open Premiere Project on different versions. There's a lot of tutorials. I can't remember all of them, but hit the description button because I'm going to be putting the links there. So go watch it and also invite friends to watch it because you'll be having fun. You have a lot of fun and you learn a lot watching those tutorials. So this is Sam Presto, and this year a lot of things coming your way, so hit the subscribe button. Right now I'm not bringing any tutorial, but there's a tutorial coming very soon. There's how to unlock yourself on WhatsApp. There's how to most of Google tips of 2020. I'm going to be sharing it here. I'm going to be sharing professional way of flying drone. I'm going to share some editing. This year I'm going to concentrate on Premiere Pro. So for those editors, there's a lot of tutorials from Premiere Pro, how to become a professional editor, video editor. So stay tuned as we bring a lot of things your way this 2020. And this is from Sam Presto to you saying Happy New Year.